Welcome back, everybody, to the latest episode of Lincoln Fishing. We got a kayak modification coming your way. I was in the market for some additional dry storage in my kayak, but I really wasn't ready to pay some of the sticker prices for some of like the track packs and stuff like that on the market. So a friend of mine helped me come up with this design, and I'm going to show it to everybody else. It's an awesome waterproof design for less than $15. So come along with me, let's build it and let's get it on the kayak. To get started on this build, first thing you want to do is you want to take your box over to your kayak, and you kind of want to do like a dry fitting of where you want it to be and how far you want it to hang over either the water or your kayak itself, and then figure out roughly where you want to drill your holes. For me, it ended up working out pretty well where I'm going to drill right into the footings of this box, because I don't want it to extend inside the kayak. I want it to kind of be more outside the kayak. So let's get started. Let's drill some 1/4-inch holes, and we'll get the show on the road. For this job, we don't need much. Some 1/4-inch bonded washers, some track gear, one screwdriver, a drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit, and then our bread and butter. All right, no going back. All right, in theory, this is how it's gonna work. We got our bolts with that bonded sealing washer. That's gonna push through the bottom of that hole we just made, and then it's gonna attach to some track mount. Just like that, but that box would be right in the middle of there. Then we can mount it and tighten it down. Knock out the other side just as fast. And in theory, just like that, it really is done. If you want to take it just like this, you can and put it right in your kayak. But it's red, my kayak's blue. Let's do some custom painting on it and make it look like this belongs on my kayak. And while I'm getting this thing painted, if you want to build one for yourself, I'll have everything I used and where I got it from down in the description. All right, all painted up, matches the kayak almost perfectly. Let's go install this bad boy. I'll show you how easy it goes on. All right, we got our painted box. We reinstalled our track mounting hardware, and let's get this bad boy installed on the kayak. It's gonna be really simple. We're just gonna take that track nut, slide it in, and then tighten it down. I'll show you how it goes. Get one side in, and drop the other. Slide it where you want. Just tighten it down. Put our lid back on. And we are good to go. All right, that is a wrap on this waterproof custom box build. This is something that everybody should do. It's cheap, easy, and effective. Something that every kayak fisherman's trying to get accomplished. So drop a comment below. Let me know if you built one for yourself, and we will see you on the next episode of Lincoln Fishing.